quick little video. Just a quick little one. So, got the Honda 03 CR50. Old carburetor. Wants to leak out of it. Looks like an OEM. I can't really tell. But I've cleaned it a couple times. I put it back. It ran good for a little bit, and then it'll just start leaking. No real adjustment on the float. So pulled it out. Got me an Honda carb. I actually got this off of Amazon, but gonna pull it out the wrapper. Sorry, I'm doing this with my cell phone. Get a little close. Ah, there it goes. Looks like it comes with some new vent hose. It did not come with a filter. I'm gonna have to put a filter on here. And looks like I'm gonna have to dismantle the slide. All right.
Back here with this carburetor, so looks like this here just unscrews. Ooh, be careful. There's a spring, got an O-ring in there. Set that down, set the new spring down, and then there is a slide in there. And don't know how to get that out. Let's see. Without damaging it.
Just a little tapping, moving some stuff around. Comes with a new seat. Now I have to attach this and this to the throttle. Make sure not to damage these things. You guys can't see what I'm doing over here. I'm trying to push the spring through. Seems fairly simple. Let's see if I can't get this camera. Let me see. I don't know if you can see it in my hand. Alright, we're just going to slide that out. Don't lose the spring. Comes right out. That's the old one. And let me see. See if I can brace you back up. So this is the old slide and spring. Gonna sit that over here. This is the new one. They look pretty much the same. Oh! Boing. Okay. Alright. Gotta slip it through. Put a little pressure on the spring. Trying to explain it because I can't hold the camera and do it, but I'll show you guys when I'm done. And it's even funnier with gloves on. Got it. You guys can see, yeah, it came together pretty easy. Check out my whole little setup. This is actually just a plastic table from Home Depot, and that's what I use as my motorcycle stand. All right, so we got the old carburetor here. Sit it over here, maybe for parts later. Got the new one, nice freshie. All right, and this one does say something right there. The camera doesn't want to focus. Cooney. Gonna try and do some editing so this doesn't look as crazy as it seems like it looks to me. But new carburetor. Still got a Can-N filter. I was thinking about buying the OEM filter for it, but yeah, for now, I'll use this one. Seems to hold fine. Should work fine. This gasket here goes in between. So this already has a gasket, so this one, a little round gasket in there, goes towards the manifold. Fairly simple to put together. Not gonna bother you guys. I am going to put the slide in first. So got it all back together. Fairly simple. Pull these two bolts, pull this line, make sure you shut off the fuel first, and yeah, let's see if it starts. All right, looks like we got the filter back on. We're gonna turn on the gas and give it a kick. All right, you guys, got a little noise in the background. Let me see if I can turn this fan on. All right, we're going to turn the gas on. Got a little gas. Got a little fuel flowing. Got some gas in there. Make sure we're in the run position. Maybe a little choke. Neutral's important. Ho, 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 ho. First kick. First kick. Might need to idle it up. Oh man, she's purring. She's purring. Oh. I'm gonna adjust that idle a little bit, but man, first kick. So these two little screws right here, one is the air to fuel, not gonna mess with that because it fired right up. The Phillips one is the idle. So we're gonna make some adjustments, see how I feel. I'll come back. All right, so we made some adjustments. Turn that screw in about half. Man, she's purring. See my little Harbor Freight pulley I got coming down? It's really just to stabilize it. You know, if it comes off, I want it to catch it, but we're good. 50cc for the grandson. He's ready for the track. Quick little jump. We went ahead and got a new spark plug. Just brand new. They actually had it at AutoZone. Just part number. And get it nice and snug. Put that back in. Make sure everything's tight. Got a fuel filter. Not sure how I feel about it. Probably should have ordered one from Amazon. But we'll see. We got it running. Put the new spark plug in there. Let's see if my contraption right here works. I'll shut her down. Put this thing up. Oh, look at that. Nice and easy on the old man back. Bring it all the way down to the ground. Unhook her. Let's bring this up. Down here I got some butterfly knots just on some old strap. She's ready to ride, y'all. Gonna take her out for a test drive. Alright, going for a nice little test drive. Spark plug. And I am 255 pounds.